Let's start today's lesson. Today we will start a prose, that is the Prince Frog. So please open at page number 22. Page number 22. The name of the story is The Prince Frog. First of all, I want to tell you that the story completely based on past tense. So here you will get the different type of action verb in past form. In this story, you just underline the past form of verb, write the verbs in your copy with your Bengali meaning, and learn the spellings and the meaning of the verb. Next number is The Prince Frog is a fiction or an imaginary story. You know the meaning of imaginary story? It's a fiction, and the story gives us a moral at the end of the story. So let's start the story, The Prince Frog. Once upon a time, there lived a king. You know the king? The king is a person who ruled the kingdom. He had 3 daughters. So how many daughters? 3 daughters. The youngest daughter was the most beautiful of all. Youngest means সবচেয়ে ছোট. রাজার সবচেয়ে ছোট কন্যাটি ছিল the most beautiful of all. সবচেয়ে সুন্দর. She always played in the garden. She loved to look at the trees and the flowers. She listened to the birds singing. She loved to play with the beautiful red ball down by the little pond. So, underline these 3 sentences. I repeat. She loved to look at the trees and the flowers. This youngest daughter of the king, she loved to look at the trees and the flowers. Flowers means ফুল আর গাছ দেখতে ভালোবাসতো. She listened to the birds singing. পাখিদের গান শুনতে ভালোবাসতো. And the last one is she loved to play with the beautiful red ball down by the little pond. পুকুরের পাশে তার লাল বলটা নিয়ে সে খেলতে ভালোবাসতো. So these are the 3 things that the youngest daughter of the king loved to do. So you may ask the question, what were the things the youngest daughter of the king loved to do? So these 3 sentences will be your answer. One day she threw her ball up in the air. So threw is the past tense of throw. One day the youngest daughter, what did she do? She just threw her ball up in the air. Ballta she chhullo. The ball fell down into the pond, and unfortunately the ball fell down. Fell is the past tense of fall. The ball fell down into the pond. বলটা উপরে ছুড়লো আর ও ক্যাচ নিতে পারলো না, বলটা পুকুরের জলে পড়ে গেল. The princess was very sad. Do you know the meaning of princess? Yes. The king's daughters are called princess. So here, the youngest daughter of the king, the princess, she became very sad. Naturally, her favorite red ball fell down into the pond. So she became very sad. She sat and wept beside the pond. Wept is the past tense of weep. So with this incident, এই ঘটনায় the princess became very sad. খুব দুঃখ পেল আর মন খারাপ করে সে পুকুরের পাশে বসে কাঁদতে লাগলো. Suddenly she heard a voice from behind saying, "Why are you crying, little princess? What is the matter?" Suddenly means hothat. Suddenly the little princess listened a voice from her behind. পেছন থেকে একটা আওয়াজ শুনল. And the voice telling her, "Why are you crying, little princess? What is the matter?" কি হয়েছে little princess? কাঁদছো কেন তুমি? So at the very moment the princess looked behind. Princess, she turned back and she saw a big green frog. You underline these words, a big green frog. So the princess turned back and she saw a big green frog who is talking and that big green frog is telling her that why are you crying, little princess? Princess became very অবাক হয়ে গেল, একটা হিউম্যান ভয়েসে একটা ব্যান্ড কথা বলছে, সে খুব অবাক হয়ে গেল। She told the frog what happened. Then the princess told everything. তার সাথে কি হলো, কি করে বলটা পড়ে গেল জলে, সমস্ত ঘটনাটা সেই প্রিন্সেস ওই ফ্রগ, the big green frog কে বুঝিয়ে বলল। So this much about today. You read the text very carefully, learn the meaning or the spelling of that particular verb that I am talking about, and these are the hard words that have written youngest, most princess matter, a big green frog. Okay, these are the synonyms. Once upon a time means once, look at means see, beside, by the side of, princess, daughter of a king. So be prepared for this part of the story. See you soon. Stay home, stay safe.